Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install Spotify on Windows 10. So first of all, you have to go to your browser. That could be Chrome, Edge or Firefox. So I'm going to use Chrome. Now after you have opened Chrome or your browser, then you have to go to the search box and write google.com. Now in here you have to write Spotify. Now after you have searched Spotify, there will be many results, and in the results we can see the first result that has come up. It is www.spotify.com. So we are going to click on this. So it brings us to the official page of Spotify. So in here you can see the download button and click on that. Now here click on download. So you can see we are downloading Spotify setup and it has already downloaded. So we are going to click on this and the installer will start. So I'm going to minimize the Chrome. So you can see the installer is downloading Spotify and we're going to wait till it finishes. So we are almost finished downloading Spotify and now it is installing. Okay, so the installation shouldn't be too long though because it's a small app and wow, we are already in the app. And okay, now you have to just log in and use the app. So that's how you can download and install Spotify and use it on Windows 10. So thank you everybody for watching this video, and if you think this video was helpful to you, please consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video so that we can make more videos. Goodbye.